Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to set up your Trezor wallet. So, first of all, what I want you to do guys is go ahead to your Google Chrome and from there search in the URL section for Trezor. So here you go. And I said Google Chrome guys, but you can go to whatever browser you want. So here I'm using Google Chrome. Now as you can see, you click on trezor.io and here it is. Now, to be able to set up your Trezor wallet, you will first need to have a Trezor USB or whatever it is. So you will have to have this machine. How to get it? Simply by clicking on here, get your Trezor. And here guys, you only have to choose which one you want. So this one is touchscreen, 2 button pad. This one has USB-C included, USB-A included. This one supported coins. It has like 1,000 or 40,000, 1,456, and this one has 1,289. And of course, as you can see here, there is like a limited kind of servers like ERC20, and here there is some more. Of course, you can search here for whatever token you want to check if it is in here or not. Down below here you will find other like features like control, send and receive, no treasure fees, and the same for this one. Here buy and sell, the same code for this one. Here anonymized transaction with coin join, so you will have anonymous transaction. Here treasure native app, so you have like apps in your desktop, Apple and Circle One, and you can get an Android app coming soon. And of course there is a browser app. Of course, there is security. So this one has a pin and passphrase entry directly on touchscreen, and this one via computer and mobile. This one has standard seed backup, advanced streamer backup, and etc. So you can go through all of these by your own, and when you choose the correct one for you, all you need to do is just buy it. So for example, let's buy this one, and after that just wait like fill your information, buy it, and when you will receive it, all you need to do to set up it is just plug it into your PC and the application which it will start downloading, and here you go. So it will create you a wallet directly automatically for you. All you need to do then is just do or pick your own pin code. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.